Now, this Faceless channel is about 1 year plus. If you take a look at the About section, you can see that this channel is just a year plus, and just with 44 videos, this channel has been able to grow up to 253k subscribers. And if you look at the channel closely, you can see that they are simply posting short, simple videos, more like thick text conversations that are engaging. And with just this channel is already making about $135 to $2,000 monthly. Now, this may not seem much compared to some other channels, but imagine having 3-4 channels like this giving you this amount of payout monthly. That is massive. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create simple videos like this for YouTube automation using AI, meaning you do not have to do the work yourself, and it takes less than 5 minutes to get everything scheduled and ready to shoot. Now, the very first thing you want to do, obviously, is to create a YouTube channel. Of course, you want to create and set up your YouTube channel, which you would be using to post only shorts. So if you have a YouTube channel that you have already used to do something else, I'll suggest you open a new one. And I'll be attaching a video at the end of this video just to guide you on how you can open and set up your channel. Now, the next step you want to do, straight to the point, is to start creating content. Now, to create this kind of videos, I will be revealing a particular AI tool that not many people know about, but with this AI tool, you can do this in a matter of minutes. Now, what you want to do is simply head over to the AI tool, and you want to sign up by clicking Start Creating for free. Once you do that, you should be able to sign up with your Google account or your email and your password. And once you do that, you want to go ahead straight up and log in. You will be brought into your dashboard where you can simply start creating. Now, to create this fake text, you can see here, we're going to go ahead to fake text. Now, in order to create this kind of videos with this particular AI, so there are 4 steps. You have to pick the background, do the script, the theme, and the audio. So we want to pick the background first, and we can use any background of our choice. Let's pick this one. And once you pick the background, you want to go ahead and click on next. Now, the next thing, which is a very important part, is you want to put in your script. Now, you can either customize the script yourself, you can use AI to generate your script, or you can simply paste your script, or you can copy an existing video that used that particular format for their shorts. So now, how do we create that script? And one way we can do that is easily go over to ChatGPT, and we simply want to tell ChatGPT to give us the conversation. And depending on what you are aiming for, whether a funny conversation, a scary conversation, whatever it is, the more detail you give to ChatGPT, the more or the better the results it will give you. So I'm just going to say, give me 40 seconds conversation that is funny. And ChatGPT has just given us, because since it is for shorts, we don't want to go over a minute. We want to keep it under, just to keep it engaging and not too long. And we can simply, copy this. So we're going to paste our script since we already have it generated by ChatGPT. We're also going to be trying how to use the AI script. So let's just go ahead and paste the script here. Another thing we will want to do is go ahead and take out all these spaces in between. And now we're just going to do that here. And now our script has been pasted automatically. We can see how exactly our scripts would look like. So P1 is going to be left, P2 is going to be right. And see that, so we're just going to adjust all of that. So now you can see that this is how our text should look like. We want to change who exactly is messaging, so let's put it as Johnny. You can also edit the avatar or the picture just to make it maybe look funny, maybe a cat face, whatever you want to do. Then the next thing you want to go ahead is to go to the theme. The theme is where you're going to pick how the theme of the chat background should look like. So we're going to go ahead and just go with this first one, and we're going to click on next. Now for the next one, we want to choose a voice. Now for the left character, we can choose a male voice, middle-aged, and we're just going to go ahead with this one. And for the right character, we can pick a female. We want to pick another middle-aged, and we're just going to go ahead with this one. And the next thing you want to do is generate your video. Remember, you can preview the voices by simply clicking here, and of course go with whichever that of course you resonate with. And same is applicable to also the left character. You can also add background music and increase and decrease to whatever you like. You can also preview the background music and choose which of them you resonate with. So we're not going to add background music, so we're going to take that out. For the voice, you want to pick how exaggerated the voice is. Either you want it bland or you want it very exaggerated, showing a lot of expressions. So Let's leave it at 20% because this particular AI tool already states that 5% to 20% is recommended. And you want it to be more stable and less robotic, so we're going to leave it at 50%. Remember, you can increase or decrease. Then you also want to play around with the voice volume up to the point you prefer it. So next thing I want to do is go ahead and generate a video, and this is just going to take a little or a few minutes, and your video is going to go ahead and show up in your dashboard once it has finished generating. Now, while it's generating, we are going to also create this particular same shots using the AI script. So we're going to go ahead to fake text, select a background of our choice. We want to go ahead and select the script, and this time we want an AI script, so we can choose the length, whether 30 to 60 seconds. Let's pick 30 to 60 seconds because I don't want it long. You can pick whatever language, so let's choose English, and describe your video concept to AI. So I'm just going to type something. So now I just wrote something, and let's generate the script. So you can see that this particular AI script has automatically generated something for you. So meaning you don't even need to use ChatGPT if you do not want to. You just simply tell this AI tool to give you a script. Think of what concept you want the text conversation to be, and simply give this AI tool, and you can see that this AI tool has given us. So we can change this to Sarah. And again, we want to click on next. Then we want to choose this as the theme. We want to click on next. Then, of course, the left character, let's choose 2 females, 2 young females. So we're just going to go with this one. For the right character, we're going to choose a female, also young, of course, depending on what you want. Let's use Janet, and we're going to go ahead and generate the video. Now, your video is going to take some time. It's just a little bit of time, and it's going to generate. Now, once your videos are ready, you can simply check them out by scrolling to My Project, and you can either click to download, or you can simply upload to your social media directly. All you have to do is connect it, either it's YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. So now our video is ready. This is how our video looks like.
I tried to make a belt out of old watches.
Oh, how'd that go?
It was a waste of time.
Groans, I walked right into that one, didn't I?
Yep, just like the time you walked into that glass door.
It was one time, and it was really clean.
Sure, clean door, dirty pride.
So you can see that this is super amazing, and with this you are able to create countless number of videos in a very short amount of time. So if you have been looking to start a YouTube channel, particularly Faceless channel, this is literally the way to go. And the beautiful thing about this particular AI tool is that not just does it have that for fake text, you are also able to create for Reddit stories, YouTube shorts. You're able to create dialogue generator, and even caption your own video. And if you scroll beneath, you will be able to see an example of how the outcome of these things will look like, where you can understand how it works. In order for you to be able to leverage on these features, they have a subscription plan. So if you go to pricing, you will be able to see for the creation plan, they have the monthly and the yearly plan. And for the monthly, of course, you have the basic, pro, enterprise, and the yearly, of course, you pay less and you save up to 15%. Now, the higher the subscription, the more features that is included. Think of the amount of features that this allows you to use. I mean, you can set up like 3-4 channels at the same time, because you are able to create countless or a lot of videos within a short period of time. And of course, you can have 1 month, 2 months, 3 months content already scheduled and ready to go published. Now, I'm going to be leaving a link for you to be able to access this particular AI tool, just for you to be able to sign up and of course get started. I'll be leaving a link in the description so you are going to the right site. And the name of this website is Short AI. And this is a go-to tool for your faceless video, especially if you're delving into YouTube shorts. Now, some tips that you should know is when it comes to YouTube shorts, you want to post as frequent as possible, and which this AI tool helps you do easily. You want to post at least 1 short per day. And with shorts, with YouTube shorts, you can easily leverage it and start earning either with affiliate links, with brand promotions, and most especially with YouTube ad revenue. Now, if you found this video helpful, if you found this video super helpful, make sure to like this video, make sure to subscribe, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell icon so when next I drop a new video, you will be the very first to see it. I have attached a video on how you can create Reddit story videos, and if that interests you, you want to click on the screen right now, click the video on the screen and check that out. Ciao.